G'day YouTube, g'day Facebook. Guys, look, this I don't want to cause too much of an alarm, but this is the weirdest anomaly I've ever seen in my life so far. And I was talking to Scapegoat, shout out to you, mate, for the support, who lives directly on the opposite side of town from me. And I just had a very bad feeling that something odd was going to happen today, and here it is. I don't know what this is. This is a warning sign for something. Now I've just got this on 1 hour loop, so it's just occurring now. And what it means, I don't know, but you can see where there's a chip out of it there, like a wedge, and you can see the lighter lines. Now I'm not sure if they're beams or what, but this appears to be coming from. Geez, I'm going to have to Google it, but I want to get this out to you ASAP. I don't know, this is probably the weirdest one I've seen. Pass this around ASAP for you, and I'll get back as soon as I get some more info on the cloud situation around it and see if I can find something for the clouds. Cheers, thanks for watching.